people. How are you guys doing today on this beautiful Wednesday? Hump day, hump day, hump day. Um, I'm just gonna jump on the charts real quick, and we're gonna go over the signals for today. Let me go into the group and share the video. Let's see. Okay, where are hope you guys are doing well. I'm just trying to figure out how do we share the video. Okay, how do we share the video? Okay, go to my video. Okay, okay, your video. My video. Move, 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 move. Okay, move. Let's see. Let's see. Trying to figure out how would the video be shared. Okay, hold on. Give me a quick minute. Okay, your videos. Okay, let's see. Now, let's see. How can I share that? Watch later. No, I should be live right now. Let's see. Let's see. Give me a moment. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay, I found it. Okay, so let me share it. Okay, I'm gonna share it real quick. Give me a quick moment. Okay, so let me share it. Yeah, I'm gonna share it real quick. Give me a quick moment. Okay. So we have. Okay, so we're gonna jump on the chart real quick. Okay, so we have the signal of. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me go into my charts. Okay, so we are looking for an entry on NZD CHF, correct? We are looking for a long, meaning we're looking for a buy at 61.54. So we are close. So there's two things that I could do. I could jump in now or wait for a little better entry. And as you can tell, I got my 5 minute right here. Then I got my 30 minute, and then I got my 50 minute. Um, so we are gonna get ready to go. As you can tell, it's 61.54. The price that we were looking to wait to go in. We wait to the pullback. It came into the zone we're looking for. So here we are going to go. What the hell? Hold on. Okay, so now where are we? Okay. So getting ready to go long. Uh, okay, so we got long here. And maybe what I should do is okay, because we're close to the peak performance high, correct? If you guys are live on the chat, please, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. So here we are live on the chart, right? Okay, we are close to a peak performance high. So me personally, I will wait. I will wait. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not telling you guys that you guys should do this, but this is what I'm gonna do. Um, okay, so let's do this. We'll insert a fib, not a fib. We're looking for a pullback to the golden zone. So the golden zone is 50 and 61. What the heck? Okay, there it goes. For some reason, my mouse is acting up, guys. I truly apologize. It's time for a new mouse. What the hell? Why isn't it? Hold on. Let me get my computer. This is getting ridiculous. Okay. So we're gonna go here. So this box. Why isn't it moving nothing? Okay. Well, I'm trying to get this box. So it's not giving me a box. Screw it. I'm not gonna waste any more time with it. Okay. Right now we are trying a new indicator. Are you guys familiar with the alligator? Okay, now that we have that, so here I am going to look for a pullback. Even though I said it was 61.54 at the price that we're looking for, based that our peak performance high has is very close. I'm waiting for this zone right here, as you guys could tell. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for price to get at a discount around here. As you could tell, this is London time. So we're gonna come back, we're gonna pull back here, somewhere around here. and then I will enter long. Uh, so I'm gonna do that because, like I said, I like to just set it and forget it type of thing. So with that being said, we said we are looking at 61.45. So we're gonna go 61.45 on the enter time frame. I won't have to order a mouse today. Okay. Okay. So where are you? Where are you? So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna wait for a pullback. I have no idea why the system's taking that long. Okay. We said 61.45. Let's do 61. So I'm waiting to have this bounce off the water. Okay, then we're gonna go long. Oh, okay, so we got that one. Let's get that one out the way. Sorry. Like I said, I know some of you guys have things to do. You guys gotta go to work, get ready for go to work. So I'm gonna speed it up now. Okay. The next pair that we're going with, next pair we're going with, uh, next pair that we're going with. I'm being asked, what if it pull back? Well, I could look at price action and decide if I want to jump in there, being so high based on the peak performance high. You know what I mean? Okay, so we're gonna go with GVP CHF. Okay, that is the next pair. That was the next signal that we got. Okay, so let's go with that pair. Hold on, hold on. Uh, for some reason, I noticed lately that when I do live calls and live trading, our system's a lot slower. So I'm thinking, okay, GHF. So give it a quick moment. I truly apologize of why it's taking that long. So we're waiting for GVP CHF. Mm, yeah, I think what I'm gonna do tomorrow, as we do this recently, I think I'm just gonna record the stream, record the charting, and then upload. Cause yeah, that's one thing that I hate is lag. There you go. Okay. CHF, we're looking for that one. We're looking for a long. Okay, 24.26. Okay, so we already are. So 5 pips have already done by from the interest point. Okay. Okay. So here, I want to do it. I'm gonna do wait for a little pullback. Here's the London, and then there's New York. Okay, so you see how in the 50-minute it's a peak high, but in the hour is only a pivot. 30 minutes only a pivot. Okay, so here we might. Okay, so here we're looking. Okay, so like I said, we're using the alligator. I'm sure you're familiar with the alligator move. If you are, when the mouth is open, it's a strong buy or sell, depending on direction the mouth is. And when it's yellow, it's a sleep. It's a sleeping alligator. Um, I'm gonna try this one out today, as I heard some great reviews on it. Okay, okay, so here I'm gonna wait for a little pullback. Like I said, we're already about to break out of. This is this is whack. I never had my our system be such. See, I'm having some. Oh my god, I hate when it does things like this. Yeah, so like I said, tomorrow what I'm gonna do, I'll just record it first and then I'll put it live because yeah, I'm not gonna be dealing with this. It seems like they know when I'm going live on the calls. See, you never had issues with our templates before. Where are we? Okay. So here we'll go see. You see where it broke through. Boom. Okay, 61.58. So with that being said, remember, don't forget to take um your pips, secure your pips. Um, 10, 15, 20 pips. Remove your stop loss in profit. In case the market returns on you, you at least took 15 minutes, 15 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, 5 pips, whatever you did, you were able to take those pips before the price reversed and you're able to come in at a discount. Okay, so look at that. Already within that being said, this trade is already in the direction. Okay, so the next trade we're gonna go with is cat JPY. Cat JPY. Where are we? Cat JPY. Today most signals were long. Okay, so as you tell, long. Okay, so as that happens, let's wait for the chart to. Okay, so we got that one. You saw how this 5 minute thing broke quick. Um, what we're gonna be looking at is pushing this high higher, a little bit higher. Because in the higher time frames is only a pivot. Okay, at the higher time frames is only a pivot. So See, it's only a pivot. See, we have the peak performance low. So we are going to have a high, but just not this high at that time frame. Okay. Where are we? Yes, what you do is you always try to look for a good entrance. Like I said, sometimes the price might be coming off a pullback or an extension, and you want to make sure you get the best entrance. You want to remove some of those big drawdowns that sometimes our signals might be taking. You know, uh, okay, so let that load up. And for some reason, like I said, I started having internet, well, not internet problems, computer problems when I go live since last week when I did that other part two to that Bitcoin prediction seminar or call. So since then, I've been getting, I've been getting my charts to freeze like right now, like my charts don't freeze like this. Um, That's why I said next tomorrow I will just record the videos and we'll go from there. Cause okay, okay, another peak. So here, I personally would wait for a pullback to see. We're already on that 1 hour. We are in high channels. Okay, we are in high channels. So I will wait, and I'm going to wait myself till price pulls back in this area right here. Okay. You can tell in the 15 minute, boom. Okay, let's look at the 5 minute. And see, boom. Okay, so anywhere around any of these levels, 9083, 9081, 9079, 9078, 9077. So those are prices that I'm gonna wait for the pullback on CAT JPY for me to go in. Okay, see, 74 would have been here. You see, so right here. So we're looking for resistance too. And then go that way. Okay, so now that I know that, uh, I'll put a note. I'll make a note to myself. Hey, come back in 20 minutes, and take a look at JPY, and see that the entrance is better. Okay. Um, so I just a note. Um, if you guys are using Trading View, it's a whole lot better than MT4 because you're able to set up alerts. Okay. So that you don't have to be stuck looking at your computer. There is a way to do it on MT4, but with the lag and the issues that I have in my computer, it will take forever to get it working correctly. And the three times that I have been able to set it up, it has not been like, oh my god. However, MT4's excuse me, trading views is a whole lot better. to set up your signals, to set up your your notifications on that aspects of it. So next one we're gonna do is catch CHF. Is there any? I'll record all your streams. Okay. Okay. Good Grand Rising, Dominique. How are you guys? How you doing today? It's always a pleasure to have you on the call. Uh, okay, so as that happens, this is irritating. Like I hate when my computer does this. Um, okay, on the trades that we have gone, the trades that we have gone in. Let's see. Yeah, it's CHF, GBP, CHF. If you enter when I entered just like a moment ago, we are 5 pips in profit, 4 pips in profit, 4.5 pips in profit. Um, so Grand Rising, yeah. So, uh, yeah. So I wanna, I wanna do this for you guys too before I leave. And like I said, I gotta do what I gotta do. You know what I mean? Like at 10 pips. And people are asking me, why are you using 10 cent lot size? The reason why we're using 10 cent lot size is to show you guys that even with 10 cents, um, we were doing the math last week, last 2 weeks. So we are catching in our signals that are going out daily anywhere from 40 to 300 pips. You know what I mean? So at 10 cents, you're doing anywhere from $4 to $30. You know what I mean? They said 10 cents, just copying and trading. You know what I mean? Um, you see how my computer just froze like that? uh, so let me try one more time. If not, I apologize, and I will come back tonight and we'll do another version, a much better version in it. Of this, I'm gonna, what's it called? When you defragmentize or something. Maybe that's a reason what's causing our system to freeze. Um, Dominique, were you able to jump in on that GBP CHF? Right now we're 8 pips of profit. So yeah, so 10 cents, you would have 10 cents, you would have been only 80 cents. At a dollar, you would have been up already $8. At 50 cents, you would have been up 3.50. I said we're just doing that for pictures. Okay, let me show you guys something. Hold on. Let me show you guys something. Um, okay. Can you guys see? So I'm doing the FTMO challenge. Uh, we're we're working to not only for us pass FTMO challenge, we are also looking to train other traders to pass it through our style of trading, through our systems. You know what I mean? Like I said, we're trying to bring something different and unique to the thing. Okay, as you guys could tell on this trade, we're already up. So here's where the difference is. Hold on. So let me go GBP. What was it? GBP CHF. GBP CHF. GBP CHF. No. Come on, baby. You never given me troubles like this before. Okay, so you see? So right now on GBP, you guys saw we clicked in. So let me explain that. So I have multiple trading accounts. You guys know that, right? I got one that I'm passing FTMO challenge. I got other ones that were trading for clients that as soon I'm going to have to catch the replay. It's crunch time for me. No, go ahead, girl. You do what you gotta do, man. You do it. You do it. Um, I'm getting ready to turn it off. Anyways, like I said, I gotta get up, get the kids ready to go to school. Um, but yeah, as you guys could see, it's already pulling back on that aspect of it. But like I said, we're gonna let this go up to up here, maybe up to right here. You know, get 1,200 bucks and then 12 pips. 12 pips. So 12 pips could be anywhere from $1.20 to $1,200. Click of a button, some executions. You know what I mean? Like I said, we're just trying to duplicate, execute, and get things done the right way. Okay, so let's go into chart. Okay, so on this one, I'm gonna CHF. I'm gonna wait on CHF. If you jumped on it, like I said, if you jumped on Cat CHF, you should be in profit right now with the take with the pips. Uh, so I am going to GBP CHF. Uh, okay, and then we're gonna look at this trade real quick, and then we'll call it a day. And I said I'll work on my side to have you guys better views of the charts, better smooth transitions. You know, that's one thing that I don't like when. Uh, okay, so let's do. For some reason, defragmentize. I think defragment. I think that's what I need to do. I think I gotta defragmentize my computer and see why it's doing what it's doing. 'Cause it shouldn't be doing that. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. So let's go back to the other chart. Yeah, so the chart's playing games right now. So I truly apologize for all the technical difficulties that we had on our end today. It's okay. So as you guys could tell, the system froze. So we're just gonna cut off the video here. You should be taking profit with some of last night. I'm taking notes last night from test and listening to you. I didn't get a chance to jump in yet. Okay, no, not a problem, not a problem. We'll take some notes later on today. We'll jump on a call, and even if we're not trading some signals, or maybe we are in some signals, we'll be able to get on there and see what we're doing. Okay, peace, love, and abundance be with y'all.